Hey, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Facebook account to a page. Now here's how we are going to do it. First things first, we're going to go ahead and tap these three lines here and we're going to go ahead and open our account. Once we are here, we're just going to go ahead and tap these three dots here and we're going to look for turn on professional mode, which is located down here below. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click this one here, and from this point forward, we're going to click turn on and we're going to go ahead and continue. So this time you can go ahead and configure this one later on, so you can do all the things that are necessary in here. We have create new content, add details, learn how to create an ad, and so on and so forth. Now regardless if you're done with these, you can just go ahead and click back and you will be able to see here that now we have one follower and one following. Now you can just go ahead and scroll down here and you will see that your profile detail says that you are a digital creator. So yeah, that's how it looks right now, and congratulations everyone, because you have successfully converted your Facebook account to a Facebook page.